You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast where international journey becomes personal stories. In today's episode, we're going to look at the most meaningful chapters in an immigrant's journey, becoming a U.S. citizen. For many Russian immigrants, the citizenship test is more than an exam. It's a milestone that says, you made it. So what is the U.S. citizenship test? The naturalization test includes two parts, a civics test and an English language test. It's part of the U.S. citizenship and immigration service process after filing Form N-400. The civics portion, you'll be tested up to 10 questions from a list of 100 topics, including the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, and key historical events. You only need 6 correct answers to pass. The English portion tests reading, writing, and conversational skills. It's basic, but nerves can make it feel bigger than it is. Think reading a sentence like, "The president lives in the White House," or writing, "Citizens can vote." Here's how to prepare without panic. Start early. Break the civics questions into manageable sets of 10. Practice with flashcards or download the USCIS mobile app. Study consistently for 4 to 6 weeks. Watch American TV shows, read newspapers out loud, or join a free ESL class at your local library. And don't forget, review your N-400 application. The officer may ask about your job, travel history, or background. Know your story and bring any needed documents. Here's a story of a real person. Mariana, a Russian immigrant in Miami, studied with her daughter each night over dinner. She practiced her English while walking and listening to the radio. She was nervous, but she passed, and she said, "It was the proudest day of my life." This test is just one step, but what it symbolizes is powerful. In our next episode, we're going to explore the emotional reward and long-term impact of becoming a U.S. citizen. If you're still on the beginning of that journey, keep going. And if you're at the very beginning, just thinking about moving to America, let SDC help get you there. Call 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com to request your international moving quote. Because behind every test passed is a future gained, and we're proud to walk beside you as you come to America.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.